add some AI magic to your Canva designs? Let's dive into creating some rhythm to your designs' AI music in Canva. First things first, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to sign up. For your convenience, I put the link in the description for you if you need to sign up for free Canva account. Step 2. Select a design. Next, choose the design you want to work on. It could be anything, a social media post, a presentation, or even a video. I already uploaded my design into Canva, so I will be using it to show you how to create and add AI music to it. Step 3. Access the Apps button. Now, in the editor, click on the Apps button on the left-hand side. The AI Music app pop up. Click on it to get started. Step 5. Choose styles and moods. Choose from a variety of styles like acoustic, electronic, ambient, lo-fi, jazz, pop, urban, and more. You can also pick moods such as dreamy, dynamic, expressive, lounge, dramatic, groovy, mysterious, and many more. Mix and match to find the perfect vibe for your design. Step 6. Set music parameters and duration. Set your music parameters to customize the sound. Then, choose the duration of your music, anywhere from 5 seconds to 300 seconds. Tailor it to fit your design perfectly. Step 7. Compose your music. Once you're happy with your settings, click on the Compose button. Watch as the AI works its magic and creates your unique music track. Drag and drop the generated music track onto your design. You can adjust the volume and trim the track to fit your needs. Hit the play button to preview your design with the music. If you need to make any adjustments, you can easily do so by clicking on the left side of the editor and make necessary changes. Once you're happy with your design and music, it's time to share it. Click on the Download button and choose your preferred format. You've just added AI-generated music to your Canva design. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.